What an exhausted day. I'm tired. Huh? What's this on the counter? This is a note. What's that? Rainbow cake. Sounds delicious to me. I wonder if it's okay to eat this. Oh well, maybe I can take a bite of this. Don't mind if I do. Okay, time to eat this rainbow cake. Delicious.
How dare you take the cake!
Shit, I gotta close the laptop. Alright, time to eat. Huh? Who's calling? It's Tima. I better ignore that. Alright, time to eat.
I know you're in there!
I'm gonna lock the door. For the love of God. There. Okay. Huh? What's that?